Okay, hello and welcome to the Introduction to Computer-Aided Design. I'm your host, John Montoya, and this semester we'll be learning the skill and use of Autodesk. Oh yes, we need to get our sound up. Let's go. Hmm? Stop in for a second. Okay, students, we're going to take a look at our syllabus. We're going to go to our opening page on the modules. Welcome to your computer-aided drafting. We'll be meeting here every Monday, except for holidays, from 12 to 2:50 in this room. This is the textbook. This is the newest one. This is not the newest one. It's AutoCAD 2022, 21, or 20. I think the bookstore has 2018. So what you get with the purchase of the textbook, and here's my old textbook. I like this. It's all marked up, so I hate this shift over. You know, we like our marked up book. But you get these downloads, which includes some drawings. You get all the training videos that come with it, and you get training videos with captions. You also get, let's see what one of their videos looks like.
In this video on AutoCAD fundamentals, we're going to discuss drawing lines.
And now we'll have a reading of the syllabus, my favorite part of this presentation. You can find me in the A building, room 210 is the seat that I'm in. This is AA building. It's connected to the A building, and it's all the way on the second floor at the top if you need to ask me a question. Here is my lab hours.
Is that your real phone number?
No, this is to my desk, but it goes to Zoom now, so it'll be on the Zoom. This is a ground class until otherwise noted. This course is an introduction to the use of computer-aided drafting. It includes a review of computer hardware and software used in automated drafting environment, concepts of how a drawing is stored and manipulated by the computer, commands necessary to do a simple drawing. The actual drawing is of a part. This course provides development of the beginning skills for the use of the microcomputer. I haven't heard that term in a while. Operating peripheral devices for CAD and using AutoCAD software. Is there a prerequisite for this course? Do you have to have hand drafting? No.
No, sorry.
Is there a co-requisite?
No.
Thank you. That's called interactive. Okay. Topic outline. We're going to talk about history. Actually, the video will talk about history. We're going to talk about how you construct a drawing. We won't do dimensioning right away. That comes later on. All courses in Florida, FSW, are part of this code called creative thinking. And our competency is called research. So I'll only read research. Research and examine academic and non-academic information, sources, and evidence. So recycle. Oh, there is no recycle. Oh, plus you can't recycle styrofoam. Please be sure and take my Introduction to Sustainability class. We're also offering that.